country in South America, occupying something about 48 or 49% of all South America. And it's just the one country in South America which speaks Portuguese, because all the other countries speak Spanish. We have border with almost all the countries in South America, just we do not have with Chile and Ecuador. I don't know. We have 5 regions, and it's kind of, each region has you can find different kind of people from different kind of countries. For example, in the south, you can find a lot of Polish people and a lot of Germans too. I don't know, like that all people think that we have just samba and carnival and that para. Okay. And it's known, like, most of people know about Rio, that we have the parade, like, people are dancing, like, the women are using that small clothes and that stuff. And Rio and São Paulo, we have groups, different groups, and they dance. They use different kind of clothes, and they have kind of like 1 hour and a half each group, and they compete with each other to see which is the best. Which group is the best? I don't know. It's really expensive to go to this place. Actually, even I've never been in this place.